Everyone, today I will show you privilege escalation. I assume that I am a bad intent user. My company gives me basic permissions, for example, access a S3 bucket and some EC2 instance. But I want access everything, full access policy for my personal interest, for example, mining Bitcoins. So how can I do that? So I follow this block by exploiting create policy version. So basically I will create a new version of the basic policies and I specify full access policy with the flag set as default, and then I can have full access. Now let's jump in and do it and you understand. Okay, at first I create a new user and AWS IAM create user username. I create bad user. Let me check. This one is a create. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Let's check. Okay. So we got a new user, and now I'm gonna create a policy, a basic policy, initial policy. I touch initial policy.json. And let me copy the basic permission. Let me copy and paste. So initially this user can allow to do one actions, which is create policy version. Only one action allow. And now let me attack. Let me create IAM create policy, and then I need to specify the policy document and the policy name. Sorry, AWS IAM create policy, and then policy name allow create policy version, and policy document, which is the init, but I have to add file. Yeah. Okay, let me check. Create policy, policy name, policy document. Okay. And I have to take note the policy ARN. And let me save it first. I need this later on when I create new version for this one. So next step, I will attach it policy to the user. IAM attack user policy, and then let me check what parameter I push. User and the policy ARN. Okay, so let's attach. Okay, now let's check permission of the bad user. Okay, so bad user, and then policy, what the bad user can do. Okay, we attack only allow one action, create policy version. Now let me get the create the access token for this user. AWS IAM create access key. Let me check. Okay, that's it. And now I configure my CLI, my console, with these keys credentials. Access key, and let's see, I'm a bad user, but company give me basic permission. Can I access S3? No, right? I want, okay, no, no, right? Because at first the bad user don't have that permissions, but now how can I hack it? How can I hack full access permission? So I will create an admin policy. What I want, what I hope to do, what I hope to access, and let me copy that. So I want to hack all access, all resources, all actions. And now the key thing is AWS IAM create policy version, and we specify the policy AIN. Oh, sorry. Which is, let me copy again. Let me copy again. And I need to specify the new policy document. Okay. Okay, so I create a new version of the initial policy, and let's check. But I need to do another one. I need to set at default, so let me check. Yeah. Okay. So now I'll go into the console to check the new permission. What happens? Okay, so now you see, now the bad user can access everything. Let me double check. Bad user and permission. Yes. So let's check. Yeah. So that's it, right? And to prevent it, we have to use permission boundaries. This is the permission boundary from the official document, and